Here's a quick and easy project anyone can do using this Distress Oxide spray dye on a piece of basic printer paper. I collected some leaves over the fall because I liked the way the insect bites made them look, and after the leaves dried out with an old stack of paper, came back to it several months later, experimented with this spray and really liked how the colors blended together, so figured I'd try and make it into an easy yet beautiful Christmas present. After experimenting a bit, I left the leaves just sitting loosely on top because when they slightly shift as it sprays, it gives an added depth to it. The colors I got here are orange, blue, light blue, green, purple, and copper. There's a certain shimmer from that copper that I didn't really capture well with the camera, but definitely made this picture pop for me, so. Still need to find something to do with the leaves themselves, but that can be the next video. After letting it dry overnight, I just bought a frame I liked and did my best to clean it up and get it nice and centered within the 2 sheets of glass. I added some double-sided tape in between the layers to keep it in position. And other than that, it was time to hang it up and admire the simplistic beauty of it. So yeah, super simple, but still pretty satisfying, right? Or is it just me? Either way, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm on to the next one. Hope you are too. Follow Simo Designs for more to come.